Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 5 simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and Web Development, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Okay, if you want to do this complete simulation training or want to you complete course from me, I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. You can scan my WhatsApp given in the first slide of this video, and you can click on my WhatsApp link given in the description and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam, and art assignments project. Let's start our assignment training to solve it step by step. Okay, question number one is that sort the data discipline and then by area both in alphabetical order. Okay, we will go to the click on discipline column in this table and then go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and find and select, go to the data tab, and then in the sort and filter group, you can see sort and filter group, click on sort button. Okay, we will select first is sort the data by discipline. We will select first level discipline is alphabetical order, then we will click on add level. We will second level is area, add level is area. Okay, then A to Z alphabetical order. Use the subtotal feature to sum the number of wholesale sales, retail sales, and total book sales by discipline. Use the subtotal feature. Okay, you can see here. Use the subtotal feature to sum the number of wholesale, retail sales, and total book sales by discipline. We will go to the data tab in the forecast group. Click on outline button and then click on subtotal. First is that wholesales, sales wholesales, retail price. We'll click on retail price checkbox and then we'll click on total book sales checkbox. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. Next question is that leave the existing subtotal value and add a second level subtotal for area. Okay, we will go to the data tab in the analysis group. Click on outline button. Now we will leave the existing subtotal value and add a second level area. Question is completed now. The next question is question number 3. Collapse the table to show the grand total only. Collapse the table. Expand the table to show the grand and discipline totals. Okay, question is completed now. The next question is that question number 4. Use the auto outline feature to group the column. We will go to the data tab and then go to the analysis group, click on outline button and then click on group button, click on auto outline, click on OK button. Collapse the total book sales. We will collapse the total book sales. Collapse question is completed now. The next question is that create a pivot table using the sum of total book sales by discipline recommended pivot table. We will create a pivot table using the sum of total book sales by discipline recommended pivot table. Go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on recommended pivot table button and then we will select create a sum of total book sales by discipline. Where is the sum of total book sale by discipline? Click on OK button. Rename the new sheet as pivot table. Right click on sheet, click on rename button and then we will assign sheet name is pivot table. Okay, assign the name total book sales to the pivot table. We will click on the pivot table and then go to the pivot table analyze button. In the active field group, click on pivot table button and then we will assign this name as total book sales. Question is completed now. The next question is question number 6. Drag the addition field to the column area in the pivot table. Okay, we will drag the addition field to the column area. We will go to the pivot table field and we will drag this addition field to the column area. Add the copyright field to the display as row between the discipline and total and book title field to the row area. Okay, we will display a row between the discipline and copyright field to the row area. Expand the align depth discipline display copyright year and book title in the pivot table. Okay, question is completed now. The next question is question number 7. Remove the additional field from the pivot table. We will simply remove additional field from the pivot table. Remove the book title from the pivot table. Right click on this and then remove the book title from the pivot table. Right click on this, click on remove. Move the copyright field to the column area. Move the copyright field to the column area. We will simply move this copyright field to the column area. Okay. Question is completed now. I have done 7 questions right now. Moving on question number 8. Click cell B5 and use the value field setting dialog box to type the custom name sales by discipline for the value. Apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Click cell B5 and use the value field setting dialog box. Okay. We will simply click on cell B5 and use the value field setting dialog box to type the custom name sales by discipline for the value. Apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Click on cell B5 and then where is cell B5 you can see here, and then we will go to the pivot table analyze. Okay, we will go to the pivot table analyze. In the active field group, click on field setting. You can see here the custom name box. We will type sales by discipline. Sales by discipline. One second, give me a second. We will type here DISCIPLIN, discipline. Okay. Apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Click on number format button. You can see here, click on number format button and then we will apply accounting number format. Decrease decimal places and then we will set the decimal places on 0. Click on OK button. Okay. Type discipline in cell A4. We will click on cell A4 and then we will type discipline in cell A4. We will remove this. We will type discipline cell A4. Okay. Type copyright year in cell B3. We will click on cell B3 and then we will type copyright year. Okay. Apply center horizontal alignment to the range B4 to F4. We will select this range first, B4 to F4. Then we will go to the home tab. In the alignment group, we will apply center horizontal alignment. Go to the home tab. In the alignment group, apply center horizontal alignment. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 9 of this simulation training. I have done 8 questions so far. Please contact me if you want to do this complete training from me. I will do this complete training for you. I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. In cell B1 in the books data sheet, enter the get pivot data function and cell F14 in the pivot table sheet. We will click on cell B1 in the book data worksheet and then press is equal to, go to the pivot table sheet and then we will click on cell F14. Press enter. In cell B2 in the book data sheet, enter get pivot data function to the cell F8 in the pivot table sheet. We will click on cell B2 in the book data worksheet, press is equal to, and then we will go to the pivot table sheet and then click on cell F8. Change the retail price rate to 125% in cell J1 in the books data worksheet. Click on cell J1 and then we will change the retail price 125%. Where is cell? Click on cell G1. Okay, we will click on cell G1 and then we will type and we will change the radical price. We want 25% in cell J1. Okay, refresh the pivot table. We will go to the data tab and then in the queries and connection group click on refresh all button. Click on refresh all. View cell B1 in the book data sheet to see the updated result. Click on cell B1 in the book data sheet. We will go to the book data sheet and then we will click on cell B1 to see the updated result. Okay, you can see here question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 10 of this training. Use the addition field as a filter for the pivot table and display only first and second addition. Use the addition field as a filter for the pivot table and display only first and second addition. Okay, addition filter. Click on select all and then only first and second quarter. Click on OK button. Set a copyright year filter to display only 2024 and 2025. We will right click on this arrow, click on select all button and then only display 2024 and 2025 and then click on OK button. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 11 question right now. I'm going to do question number 12. Insert a slicer for the discipline field. We will go to the insert tab in the filter group, click on slicer button and then we will insert a slicer for the discipline field. Click on discipline checkbox, click on OK button and then slicer will be inserted. Display two column of buttons in the slicer. Slicer set the button width to 1.5 inches and set the slicer height to 2 inches. Close any open task pane. Okay, you can see here. You can see here we will set the one with button width is 1.5 inches. Set the slicer height to 2 inches. Okay, slicer height to 2 inches. Apply light blue slicer style dark one style to the discipline slicer. We will go to the slicer style and then we will apply. Go to the slicer style group and then we will select apply light blue slicer style dark one. Okay, cut the slicer and paste to cell F1. Simply we will cut the slicer and then we will paste into cell A1, F1. Question is completed now. You can see in this video I have done 12 questions out of 18. It's mean I have done 85% simulation in my video. For remaining question and you want to do this complete training from me, I will do this complete training for you with A plus grade. And if you want to deal for this complete course, I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.